Good morning to all. Let us start the chapter differentiation from the book R.S. Agarwal. Let y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x is a function. Y depends on y. X is independent variable and y dependent variable. And delta y be the small increment in y. And the correspondingly delta x also small increment in x. If we subtract, we will get delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x, dividing delta y and delta x means dividing delta x both sides. This will be f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x, taking limit both sides. Therefore, limit delta x tend to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit delta x tend to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. This is called derivative by first principle, this part. And this part is denoted by dy by derivative of y with respect to x. This is called derivative of y with respect to x, which is equal to limit delta x tend to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. You have to memorize this formula. Derivative of any function with respect to x by using first principle, you have to apply this formula. A derivative at a point is given by dy by dx and this is also given by, therefore, f dash x, f dash is derivative or differential coefficient of f of x, that is derivative of f dash means dy by dx of f of x. Okay, f dash is derivative of f of x with respect to x, which is equal to limit delta x tend to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. Okay, this is the formula required for finding derivative of any function with respect to x by using first principle. You have to memorize this. A derivative of any function with respect to x for a given value at x equal to a, that is denoted by derivative at a point mean dy dx at x is equal to a, it is equal to f dash a. Okay, f dash a derivative at a given point at x equal to a. Next is f dash a exists, we say that f of x is differentiable at x equal to a. If f dash a exists, we say that f of x is differentiable at x equal to a. And if f dash x exists for every value of x in the domain of the function, we say that f of x is differentiable. This is the basic concept about the differential. Let us go to exercise. See the question given in the R.S. Agarwal book. Differentiate the following function with respect to x to the power minus 3. This is cube root of x, 1 by x, 1 by root x, 1 by cube root of x. There are three parts of number 1. Let me solve number 1 first. After that I will go step by step. Just see. Exercise 2a from the book R.S. Agarwal. Number 1, you will find out derivative of x to the power minus 3. As for the formula, power will come here minus 3 into x to the power minus 3 minus 1, that will be minus 4. Finally, you get minus 3 by x to the power 4. This is the answer. This is the first part. The second part question you see given d by dx of x to the power 1 by 3, cube root of x means 1 by 3 will come here, then x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1, that will be minus 2 by 3, which will be equal to 1 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3. Number 1, 2 parts completed. Number 2, d by dx of 1 by x given. This is nothing but d by dx of x to the power minus 1. Then this will be minus 1 into x to the power minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 by x square. And this is the answer. Number 1, number 2 first part complete. Number 2 second part, d by dx of 1 by root over x given, 1 by root over x. Root over x means what? Power half. If we take it off, this will be x to the power minus half. Derivative will be power will come first, minus half into x to the minus half, that is minus 3 by 2, which will be equal to minus 1 by 2 into x to the power 3 by 2. And this is the answer of number 2 second part. And number 2 third part given 1 by cube root of x. Just see. Number 2 third part, question given d by dx of your derivative of 1 by cube root of x. Means this will be d by dx of x to the power minus 1 by 3. So what is the derivative? The derivative will be power will come first, means minus 1 by 3, x to the power minus 1 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 4 by 3, which will be equal to minus 1 by 3 into x to the power 4 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. Let us go to the next part. Number 3. Number 3, question given first part, d by dx of 3x to the power minus 5. That means 3 will go outside, coefficient d by dx x to the power minus 5. This will have what? Tell me. 3 into power will come first, minus 3 into x to the power minus 5 minus 1, that is minus 6. The final what will get here? Minus 15 by x to the power 6, and this is the answer. I hope it is clear. Let us go number 3 second part. Number 3 second part, question given d by dx of 1 by 5x, 1 by 5x, 1 by 5 taken outside, d by dx of x to the power minus 1. Then this will be minus 1 come outside, minus 1 by 5 x to the power minus 2, which will be equal to minus 1 by 5 x square. This is the answer of number 3 second part. Okay. Let us go number 3 third part. It is given d by dx of 6 into x to the power 2 by 3. Actually cube root of x square given, I am directly writing x to the power 2 by 3. 6 will go outside, coefficient d by dx of x to the power 2 by 3. Finally what will get? 6 into power will come first, 2 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1, that will be minus 1 by 3. So what will get here? After simplification, 3 to the 6, that is minus 4 by 3 to the 6, 4 by x to the power 1 by 3. The negative power given, you have to take it down. Let us go next part, that is number 4. See the number 4 what is given here, question given. Number 4 first part, you write y equal to 6x to the power 5 plus 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 7. This is the question given, and you have to find out derivative. Therefore dy by dx will be how much? 6 will come outside, derivative of 5x to the 5, this will be 5x to the power 4 plus 4 into x cube, derivative will be 3x square minus 3x square, derivative will be 2x, and plus 2x derivative 1, 7 derivative 0. You have to write 1 by 1. This is nothing but 30x to the power 4, 12x square minus 6x plus 2. And this is the answer of number 4 first part. Let us go to 4 second part. The second part question given, just to see what is given second part. Second part given, y, right, y is equal to 5 x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 4 by root over x, 4 by root over x plus root over x minus 7 by x. This is the question given. Now you have to find a derivative with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx, 5 will outside, d by dx of x to the power minus 3 by 2, 4 will be go outside coefficient x to the power minus half. After that d by dx root over x means x to the power half, minus 7 will go outside, d by dx of x to the power minus 1. 1 by x given, this will be x to the power minus 1. Now how much you getting? Let's to see. 5 into power will come first, minus 3 by 2, then x to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 5 by 2, then plus 4 into minus 1 by 2, x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2, root over x to the half means half will come outside, x to the power minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1, then minus power will come plus 7, x to the power minus 2. Next finally answer you write how much you are getting, minus 15 by 2, this will take it down, this will be x to the power 5 by 2, this will be minus 2 by x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 root over x power half, and this will be plus 7 by x square. This is the answer of number 4 second part. I hope you are clear. I have done today few questions from the book R.S. Agarwal up to number 4. Thank you for today class. Next day I'll do more solves.